Namaskar friends, I am Achar Kalki Krishnan from astrodevam.com. Now I am going to introduce you a very popular product of ours which gets sold on our website as a hot cake. This is Master Fortune card. This is the packet of the Master Fortune card, and for enhancing fortune people use this Master Fortune card. It may be any aspect of your life. It gives success and enhances the probability of going through with the positive outcomes. After taking out this is the packet, and actual fortune card is like this. This is the only packing, and what you see on the front, there is a very beautiful crystal which helps to focus the cosmic energies on this fortune card for the benefit of the user. And below this you can see 9 gold plated pyramids. Pyramids have this very scientific basis, scientific backing, and on this scientific backing, all the religious places, it may be a temple, it may be mosque, it may be a church, it may be Buddhist temple, it may be Gurdwara, all these have been built. That's why they are popular among their devotees, and the wishes of the devotees are fulfilled. And why this 9 number in pyramid? Because 9 is the highest number. It is the number of the Mars, it is the number of the energy. So when you are playing with the energy, when you want to get the benefit of energy in your favor, the 9 number becomes very important. And behind this there are 2 circles. Both of them are gold plated in a very fine manner, and both help to get cosmic energies from the universe and focus on the particular field. If I take this particular piece from this, and this is the front and this is the back. On the front side you can see fortune card is written there, and below this there are 9 rectangles. These 9 rectangles have very big secret of numerology. If you know numerology, if you are master numerology, you might be already knowing that many numbers might be missing from your date of birth, and these missing numbers represent the missing aspects of your life. And what we do, when you buy this fortune card from our website, we take your birth details, and our expert team calculates the missing numbers from your date of birth, and we put up pharma stickers in the fields earmarked for those missing numbers. When you put up pharma stickers which are prepared for this very purposes only, then these missing numbers or missing aspects of your life starts to get the energy. And after getting energy, these missing aspects of your life comes live and gets boosted into your life. And when you open this card, what you see, there are 2 very powerful yantras, and in the front of these 2 powerful yantras there are 2 spaces. One is a space for your code, for your signature. Actually signature is the code of you only. If you are being codified, your signature will come out. So what you have to do, you have to put up your signature with red ink or red pen here, and below this there is space for placing your photograph. Photograph also has the same energy, and after intensive researches we have proved that your photo and your signatures just resemble you, just reflect you, they just reflect your energies. And if you intensify energy on these 2 symbols, your subtle body, your Sushma Sharira will get the energy in the same manner as if you are getting energy directly into your physical body. So what happens when you write your signatures, when you paste your photos, these 2 yantras, beautiful and powerful yantras, start to enhance the energy of you. and just see that. And behind this also, they are very powerful, very thoughtfully programmed yantras are there. So when you put up your signature and photograph, two yantras from behind, two yantras from the front will start to give energy, and all the four yantras are getting energy from this 9 rectangles, which are already filling up the gaps into your life. And and after this, all the 9 gaps, all these 9 rectangles are getting very powerful energy from these 9 gold plated pyramids. And behind this, just you will have to insert this paper into this, and after doing this, just insert this into this. Now this is perfectly prepared. The whole energy box, I will say energy bomb, is ready for your benefit. Now what you have to do, you have to take some action for your benefit. You have to decide which hand is active, which hand is passive, which hand is dominating, which hand is dominated. After deciding, then only you have to take action. My hand, right hand dominating, because I write and do all activities with right hand, and my left hand is passive and dominated. Some persons may be having left hand dominating or active. So whichever the hand is your passive, it will be below, and whichever hand is active, it will be upward. So take this master fortune card in your hands in the manner that your active hand is upward and your passive hand is downward, and visualize. Take a goal of your life. Take a goal, take an objective of your life, and just visualize that the goal has already been achieved. Feel happy, celebrate this, shut your eyes and just visualize and imagine that. And what is the best time? Just after getting awakened, just after you are waking up, take this fortune card in your hands and start visualizing. And when you are going to sleep, that is also the very good time. Just take this master fortune card and start visualizing. And remember, these two time, in these two times, you are in the alpha state of mind. Alpha state of mind is the best for reaching any objective, getting connected with your subtle bodies, your Sushma Sarira. Your Sthul Sarira, gross body, and subtle body both gets connected when you are in the alpha state of mind. And at that time, if you are visualizing something with the help of this master fortune card, things will come as if they have been customized for you. This is very powerful yantra, and rest of the day try to keep this yantra to as near as you possible. You may keep into your pocket, if in a purse, whatever way, but keep it very near to you. Believe me, a lot of persons have got benefit, highly benefited. They have been highly benefited with this yantra, this fortune card, and there is high probability that you will also benefit. Namaskar, I am Acharya Kalki Krishnan from Astrodeva.